For my PE equipment, I have included the item, the quantity, and the price. So my first item is a ball pump. I will only be getting one, and it is $18.89. My second item is 6 footballs. Each are $11.99, total coming out to $71.94. My third item is 6 volleyballs. Each of them at $8.97, total coming out to $53.82. My next item is 5 ball bags. Each of them at $10.99, total $54.95. My next item is 6 soccer balls, each soccer ball at $12.99, total coming out to $77.94. My next item is 6 basketballs, each basketball at $14.99, total at $89.94. My next item is one 5-pack of jump ropes. That 5-pack is $11.99. The next item is one 12-pack of hula hoops, total at $54.93. And then my next final item is 6 handballs / kickballs. It's a set of 6, and that's totaled at $19.99. So my subtotal is $454.39. Tax is $43.09. So my grand total is $497.48.